संगीत बना है बच्चों के लिए, और सवाल यह है कि बच्चे उसे पसंद करते हैं कि नहीं। ये थोड़ी कि मैं पसंद करता हूँ कि नहीं है? मेरा पसंद करना न करना का कोई माने ही नहीं है। बच्चे करें तो अच्छा है, बच्चे नहीं करें तो निकम्मा है। कि बच्चों के फिल्म और मुल्कों में और देशों में अब अच्छे बनने लगे, और जो बड़ों का फिल्म होता है कितना ही अच्छा हो, वो मुमकिन है बच्चों के लायक ना हो। बड़ों को पसंद हो, बच्चों को ना हो, ऊब जाए सो जाए उसको देखते देखते। इसलिए बच्चों के लिए अलग फिल्म बनानी चाहिए। हम इस नतीजे पे पहुंचे ना कि बच्चों की फिल्म बनने चाहिए हमारे देश में। और दूसरी बात ये कि अच्छे फिल्म होने चाहिए, क्योंकि दूसरी दर्जे की चीज कोई हम पसंद नहीं करते अपने देश की, अव्वल दर्जे की होनी चाहिए।
आपने पहले कभी किसी पिक्चर में काम किया है?
अब कर रहा हूँ कि नहीं पिक्चर।
Good morning, ma'am, and my dear friends. My name is Debanshita, and I am from Standard 8. My topic is If I Were the Prime Minister of India.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Nandini Pandey. I am from Standard 8. My topic is If I Would Be a Prime Minister of India.
My name is Lekita, and today I'll be expressing my views on what would I be contributing to India if I would be the Prime Minister.
A very good afternoon to everybody present here. I, Pratika Pradeep, would like to speak a few words on my contribution if I would be the Prime Minister of India. Good afternoon to one and all. I'm Rekha Agarwal from 10th Standard, and I'm here to speak a few words on the topic, my contribution to the society being a Prime Minister.
First, I think that being a Prime Minister is not that easy. Being at the top of hierarchy of political and administrative system of India is a very huge responsibility.
A Prime Minister, as we all know, he is the executive head of the Union, chosen by the people to represent the country and to ensure good governance in the country.
First of all, I will try my level best to make my country a self-respecting nation. India will be a great power, and no other country will dare to attack India.
I want our nation to be a self-reliant nation. I work towards the betterment of the society, and this should only be done if I ensure good governance in the country, making a corrupt-free India, and also ensuring good education in India.
Second, I will stop corruption and child labor, as because of child labor, many children are harmed.
We all know, today also India is doing a great job in educating people.
What I would mainly concentrate would be allowing education of masses, because the future of India would be only if everyone is educated.
But still, we find areas where children are not being educated. We find people again working in slums and they are not being educated. Their future is at a loss. I construct good schools, good colleges, and high quality with facilitated schools in all those slum and rural areas. I provide all the schools with the best facilities and make sure that all the children are educated. The children are the future of the society. If we play with the future, we are playing with our nation.
I will make a school for poor people and give them free education.
I will make the standard race and make on its merit system. Much more attention will be provided on the admission to the professional colleges.
Talented people would be properly placed by setting up centers of excellence for them.
I feel the drawback and failures of our nation and the people is due to the lack of character, its executives, its politicians and all others.
I'd also ensure to make India a corrupt-free India by punishing all those who are involved in the great and the greedy corruption.
I will also try to root out the evils of terrorism, communalism, drug taking and dowry system, etc.
First of all, I will stop the women harassment which are going in our country nowadays.
I'd also work for the engulfment of women. Women also play a great role in our lives. Our mother, our sister, all. They also work for us day and night 24/7, but they not raise a question. So, by working for them, we'll work for the nation.
I will also make ensure that social changes are spread evenly throughout the country, and this can be only done by social welfare organizations and not by the laws of our country.
I will try to keep the prices under control. I will try to improve the taxation system where the rich people will be paid taxed heavily and the poor and the middle class will be spared.
I would impose taxes only for the people who can afford it and try to reduce or demolish the taxes from the poor or the middle class so that they can afford to send their children or manage their family at home.
I will try to keep my country very well and neat and clean.
We know that each and every drop sails an ocean. So each and every work of ours will make India a great country. And I assure you that a time will come when we will be at par or even at a great height than America also. Jai Hind, and have a nice day and have a great future. Thank you.